let f of x be ax squared plus bx plus c. We want to show that f of opposite of b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a gives us 0. Okay, so I'm going to plug this inside fraction in for x. So you have a times x squared, which is really the inside squared, plus bx and then plus c. Now with the first fraction, we're going to square everything. So let's first square the denominator. 2a squared is just 4a squared. And then I'm going to treat this as opposite of b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac times itself. So this is where you just FOIL it out. And you get b squared minus 2b times the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And then you multiply the square roots, which the square roots cancel, and you get b squared minus 4ac. And then for the second fraction here, I'm going to distribute the b to negative b and the square root. So I get negative b squared plus the square root, plus b times the square root, b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and then plus c. Okay. Now for the first fraction, one of the a's is going to cancel. And then I have b squared plus b squared will give me 2b squared. And then I have minus 2b square root of b squared minus 4ac. And then we have the negative 4ac left. That's all going to be over 4a. And now because this fraction is over 4a, I want to get the same denominator for this fraction. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 2. So now the denominator is going to be 4a. And then I'm just going to double everything in the numerator. And then finally, we're going to add c at the end. Okay, so the first two fractions have the same denominator. We're going to add them. So notice we have 2b squared plus negative 2b squared. Those are going to cancel. We have negative 2b square root of b squared minus 4ac plus positive 2b square root of b squared minus 4ac. Those are going to cancel. So we're left with negative 4ac over 4a plus 1 over 4a. I'm sorry, this is 0 because we canceled them. So this thing is just 0. And then plus c at the end. Now negative 4a divided by 4a is just 1. So we're left with negative c plus c, and that is 0.